Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're coming for the first time, then I put all the content related to Amazon and Amazon advertising. And in this video, I'm going to take you on a journey to finding one of the most profitable ads that you can run. So in this video, I'm going to explain you what is a sponsored display ad. It's an ad type that was released by Amazon couple of months, and there has been continuous updates about sponsored display ads. So let me explain you exactly what is a sponsored display ad. So a sponsored display ad is an ad which appears in lot of searches on Amazon. It appears on top of the search, it appears on the bottom of the detail pages, it appears near the bullet points, it also appears below the buy box. Now sponsored display ads have been just running like crazy, and a lot of people have been getting insane amount of sales using sponsored display ads. However, there was a new ad type which was released by Amazon a couple of days back. It's called as views per impression. So if you know, Amazon has always been a CPC model, meaning cost per click. Whenever somebody clicks your ad, only then you get charged. But they release something called as cost per impression, cost per thousand impressions to be precise. And this ad type increases your visibility to a lot of people, and they charge you based on 1,000 impression, which was amazing. And this actually is a brand awareness kind of an ad. So I'm going to talk to you about the entire strategy, how to use it, where exactly display ads appear, just in a moment. All right, guys, so in this video I want to explain you what are sponsored display ads and why are they so important. So if you go to Amazon and you just go to any of the products, let's go to this product, which is a TV. I'll tell you the placements where the sponsored display comes. If you can check, let me just open a new window, which is going to be a incognito window. I will just go over here, and let's say I will type, let's go with a Bose headphones, Bose earbuds. Let's go with that. And let me click any of the product. And if I go down, here I cannot see one, but okay, let me go to the incognito mode, since I think incognito mode will pick up. So you can go over here, and let's say if I type anything like this, okay. Now this is called as sponsored display ad. So what you see above is called as sponsored display ad. This is number one. Number two, if you see, this is also called as sponsored display ads. Now these ads are amazing because they appear top of the search. That's number one. Number two, they appear over here, which is just below the bullet points. And the third spot that they appear is a little bit down, which is, let me go like this, is also called as amazing sponsored display ads, which also appear at the bottom of the page. And then this is also called as display ads. If you go even further, this I'll show you one more example which will help you understand. Let's go with something generic, like travel flow. Let's go with this ProQ, and let's see if they have a display ad running in. So display, this is also a display ad, right? And then this display ads come near the buy box also, but right now I'm not able to find one listing. So let us just see. Not yet there. But if I find couple of other spots, I'm sure. So this is also called sponsor display ads. Okay. So this spots are also given to sponsor display ads. So you can see, right, there's so much of inventory where these ads show up. Now let's talk about how to actually create these ads, which can actually get you insane amount of sales. So first, now let me show you exactly how to run sponsored display ads and what does the entire structure mean like. So you have to go and click on create a campaign. Okay. And then once you create a campaign, then you just have to go to sponsored display. So sponsored display is like given to all the people right now. So if you're not running it, guys, go and run it. There are so much of premium placements going on. So now here is you can just put like a budget of 100 rupees. And let's say if I go with any of the campaign strategy, let me go with this ASIN. I'm just going to select my ASIN over here. Let's go with this ASIN on this. Okay. Now, now here's the magic, right? So let me just zoom in a little bit. I'll just move my screen over here and I'll just zoom in. Okay. I think my screen is not that visible, so I'm just going to put it over here. Yeah. So you can see like there are three types of optimizations that you can do. So when they say bid optimization, that means simple. They say that they will optimize the bids on three things. So whenever you create any campaign, there are three structures to that. Number one is, why are you creating this campaign? What is the goal of this campaign? So the goal is three, that Amazon gives you three types of goals. You have to tell Amazon that do you want to create a brand awareness? Then they will push your products for more views. The second is called as optimize for page visits, which is this. It means that it's more like people, Amazon will show your ads for more clicks. Okay. And the third one is called optimize for conversions. They will show your ads where Amazon's algorithm thinks that these products, like these audiences or those people that you show your ads for, they will actually convert into a sale. So there are three types of conversions. Now, this is called as funnel. Okay. So let me show you what the funnel means and how you can use the same. So now this, if you see this is called as marketing funnel, and marketing funnel is very simple. What the objective is very simple. So let's say this is a marketing funnel. What you exactly do is simple. First you create your brand awareness. So let's say you are showing your brands to or your product to so many people who have never even seen your ads. So let's say you create one sponsored display ad with awareness campaign only, where people are just watching your product, they're just viewing your product and they are not even touching and buying your product. That's number one. Then what happens is, once you have created awareness, then you can show up your ad. So let's say let's talk about a brand called Mama Earth. Okay. So what happens is they will create a lot of awareness. How will they create awareness? They will do influencer marketing, they will do a lot of ads so that people are aware. Now they are not looking to make people buy their product, they're just making people aware. Okay, so people know who is Mama Earth. Now after that, what they do is then they start creating ads. So let's say if they create enough awareness, people will start typing Mama Earth, and then you should show your sponsored ads, and then it will convert into a sale. So the first part is having a lot of awareness, and then once awareness is created, people know. So whenever people go and type the word shampoo, they will see wow shampoo, right? And then after a couple of let's say days, when people know that okay, wow shampoo is a good shampoo, like people know wow shampoo because there is a huge brand awareness, then you can show a sponsored product ad, and then you can convert into a sale. So let me show you exactly how to create this campaign. So this campaign is called as optimize for viewable impression. Now let me just reiterate what Amazon is saying so that you understand what exactly it is. So they are saying we will optimize your bids for higher viewable impression, drive product awareness by showing you your ads to as many shoppers as possible. So now this model is very simple. So the entire Amazon PPC is only dependent on CPC model, meaning cost per click. Only if you get a click, then you have to pay, otherwise you don't have to pay. But this model is VCPM. That means viewable impression. If it charges you per 1,000 impressions. So if you just want to create a brand awareness, you want your products to be seen by many people, as many people as possible, then you go with this, where people, you're telling Amazon, hey, I'm ready to pay 7 rupees per 1,000 impression. And this is an amazing strategy. I'll tell you the strategy behind this. So what you do is, let's say for 15-20 days, you do only optimize for viewable impression, this strategy, and you bid like, let's say 7 to 8 rupees per per 1,000 impressions. Now you can get this real data, I'll show you in a minute. So what you do is first you just create brand awareness for, let's say, a month or 15 to 20, 30 days. And then once people are aware of your brand, you have done enough branding, then you should start doing sponsored products, ASIN targeting, or keyword targeting ads. So that now when the awareness is created, people go and type your brand name. And when they type your brand name, they directly see your product, and then they see an ad, and then they get converted. So you go and click on optimize your for viewable impression. Now, how much to bid? This is a very very important topic, right? So how much to bid? So let me show you how much to literally bid. How do you know if you're going to bid how much? Then you can just click on this, just go leave, go to your campaign manager again. Okay, so let's go to the campaign manager. And if you go to your campaign manager, then what you can do is you can just go and understand how much are you literally paying for impressions per click. So here I can see there are around 1 lakh, which I'm just going to calculate right now for you. It is so if you see, I'm paying one, this is like the number of impressions. Then you just divide this by number of spend, like how much are you paying per impression, right? So you are spending like around 2 lakh. This is 122000473. So you're paying roughly 52 rupees per impression. Now you just multiply this by 1,000 impression. And so let me just tell you exactly how to do it. So let me show you exactly how does this entire thing work. So we are paying 1,000 impressions clicks, right? So you can check over here. If I just broaden my screen and just move this over here. So let's say for this account, which is a demo account over here, I will just move up the screen again. Yeah. So you can see, like, we have 98,000 rupees of impressions, and we have paid 7,000 to get 98,000 rupees of impressions. Here also you can see we have got around 1 lakh impressions, and we have just paid 2,000 rupees to get the impression. So here we can just conclude that, if you just pay, like, let's say a little bit less, it will be like an amazing strategy that we can actually start with. So what will I will go with? So let's say whatever is my average, right? So my average cost per click is 2.09. So what I'll do is I will actually just let me minimize the screen. I will actually go and click on create a campaign over here, and then I'll go to sponsor display, and then let me just select the product if I have one, this one, and then I'll go to product targeting. I'll go for optimize for viewable permissions, and then let me go with the same cost per click. Let me just pay like uh, 2 to 3 rupees per uh, bid. Let's go with like 3 rupees per cost per impression. And if it doesn't get, like, if you don't get a lot of cost, a lot of impressions, then you can just remove it. Okay. Now what you can do next is then you can just select the products that you want to show your ads for, or whichever category. Let's say it's like headphones, go with ad. Go with audio headphones, go with whatever is the relevant to your category, you can go with that. And then you can just see, just observe this for 5 to 6 days and see what results are you getting. Are you getting enough impressions for that bid? If you're not getting, just increase your bids. Now this will not get you quick sales, but definitely it will make a lot of awareness for your product. Alright guys, so you go and try this, go and make a viewable campaign, and let me know how does it work for you. Generally we have seen good responses, and remember, it's the goal is not to have more ACOS, like, or more sales. The goal for this campaign is just to create more awareness. So the more number of eyeballs or impressions you get, then after you get enough impressions, then you can create more ads and you can actually sell, because now people are aware about your brand. Now you have to understand, this is a viewable ad, meaning it's a brand awareness ad. So it's going to, you just have to bid very very small and let it run all time, because the goal is not to, again, the goal is not to make sales. The goal is to make the brand aware to the people. Once the awareness is created, then they will automatically go and buy. So this is like, the marketing expense that you're doing in order to get make your brand more aware, and then the sales will come automatically. So if you like this video and you want to learn these kind of strategies that can help your sales increase like crazy, I'm doing a small 5-day workshop of Amazon advertising, of sharing all my secret strategies that has helped me increase my sales dramatically. So if you want to be a part of that workshop, you can click the link in the below, where you will get a link to sign up. It's going to be less than a price of a pizza for 5 days with me, where I'm going to share you every single day a new strategy which you can implement and get amazing results. And if you're a big brand, maybe you have a couple of lakhs of sales and you want us to manage your Amazon advertising, then you can fill the form below. Just click on the link below in the description somewhere, and there will be a link to fill out the form. And once you fill out the form, my team is going to reach to you. So if you like these kind of videos, do subscribe my channel and put in the comments what have you learned from this, and if you've got any good results, I would like to hear in the comment section. All right guys, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.